Hey guys, in today's style, I'm going to show you how to get 2 hairstyles out of one look. So I'm creating a small rectangle at the top of the head, and I'm going to use water and spray gel to smooth down the hair, put it into place, and then I'll just comb that out and then add an elastic in. I will link below in this video where you can get any elastic or other hair product that I'm using in this tutorial. Next, I'm going to make another same size rectangle on the side of the head. You want to make sure that when you're doing these little sections that you pay attention to the back of it, because when you pull the hair, you want the hair to look nice. So make sure you do a part line on the back side as well as the sides of the hair. And I'm just repeating those same steps by using water and spray gel to smooth down any flyaways, and then I'll tie it off with another elastic. And then I'm just going to repeat that same step on the other side of the hair. Now both of these styles are really quick and easy 5-minute hairstyles that would be perfect for going to school. And the reason I'm showing you 2 different styles is because sometimes my daughters want to wear their hair down to school, but then we need to throw it up to wear it to gymnastics later in the day. So this just gives you an option for having a hairstyle that could also be pulled up. Or a lot of times, sometimes people want to wear a hairstyle one day and then do it the same hairstyle the next day. So hopefully this will give you some options. So I'm taking those ponytails, I wet them down, and I'm going to braid these ponytails down about halfway. Once I get my braid about halfway down, I'm going to just take a clip and hold it together. The reason I'm not putting a rubber band in is because I'm going to connect all these braids together, and I'd rather put in one elastic than having to put in several. So now I'm just angling the braid on the other side to the middle because I'm going to connect them. So I like to braid maybe an inch or 2 past where I want to put my elastic, and then I'll just add that into the clip that I already have in place. And I'll do the same thing with the last ponytail. From here, I'll just hold all of the braids in place where I want them to be and move them around, make sure they're exactly where I want them to be sitting, and then I will put in an elastic. Usually I wrap an elastic around 3 times. From here, I'm just going to add a few additional elastics just to make this style fun. Really, you could do so many different things with it. I'm just trying to give you ideas of cute hairstyles, but feel free to be creative and change it and make it your own. So I'm putting in 3 elastics, and then I'm moving them so that I can space them as evenly as possible. From here, I'm just going to brush the bottom half of this style, and that's all it is. And it's just a cute half-up hairstyle, and this style will hold all day if you add in that extra spray gel that we put in. So to convert this to a ponytail, I'm going to go back with my spray gel and really concentrate on doing the sides, because the sides are the area that really fly out throughout the day. So spray gel on those sides, and then use your brush to smooth them down and make them as sleek as possible. Next, I'm going to take that top piece and I'm going to put them down into my ponytail, and then I'm just going to use a big thick elastic to put in our ponytail. and then add any cute bow that you may have. And that is now our second style. I hope you guys like these two hairstyles. Please leave me a comment below letting me know what styles you would like to see videos on.